Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down the best electric riding lawnmower models to help you transition to clean, quiet, and reliable yard maintenance. We've tested and ranked 5 excellent electric mowers that deliver incredible performance without the headache of engine upkeep. I'll walk you through exactly how they perform on real properties so you can make the absolute best buying decision for your lawn. Let's get right into the reviews and find your perfect mower.
Product number 1. Ego Power Plus Z6. The Ego Power Plus Z6 Zero-Turn Riding Lawn Mower completely transformed battery-powered yard care. It's the industry's first platform-compatible riding mower, meaning it runs on the exact same 56-volt ARC lithium batteries that power your handheld Ego trimmers and blowers. With its peak power technology, the Z6 delivers the equivalent of a 22-horsepower gas engine, allowing it to reach a top speed of 8 miles per hour. It can comfortably cut up to 2 acres on a single charge using 4 10-amp-hour batteries. A major benefit is the intuitive LCD interface, giving you complete customization over 3 distinct driving modes: Control, Standard, and Sport. The incredibly comfortable adjustable suspension seat provides a smooth ride over bumpy terrain, and it even features a built-in USB charging port. If you want a proven heavy-duty zero-turn with an unmatched battery ecosystem, the Z6 is an outstanding choice.
Product number 2. Greenworks 80V 42-inch Riding Lawn Mower. Next up is the Greenworks 80V 42-inch Riding Lawn Mower, an excellent tractor-style option designed for expansive yards. Utilizing advanced true brushless motor technology, this mower packs the raw equivalent of 24 gas horsepower. It has the endurance to conquer up to 2.5 acres on a single charge using its high-capacity 80-volt batteries, which fully recharge in under 90 minutes. A great benefit of this Greenworks model is its proprietary SmartCut technology, which uses intelligent microchips to automatically sense the thickness of your grass and adapt the blade speed instantly. This keeps you moving without stalling in thick or wet patches. It features a heavy-duty stamped steel deck, a premium high-back padded seat with armrests, and an integrated rear cargo bed capable of hauling up to 200 pounds of soil or mulch. It's an incredibly versatile heavy-duty tractor for serious property maintenance.
Product number 3. Ego Power Plus. Coming in at number 3 is the Ego Power Plus 42-inch Electric Riding Lawn Mower. While the Z6 is an aggressive zero-turn, this model offers a traditional steering wheel tractor experience for those who prefer classic handling. It utilizes the same brilliant 56-volt ARC lithium battery platform, delivering equivalent power to a 21-horsepower gas engine. You can effortlessly mow up to 1.5 acres on a single charge. This tractor is exceptionally user-friendly, featuring a digital display to monitor your battery life and dual cutting blades that leave a pristine, even finish. It comes with bright LED headlights for evening mowing and operates at a whisper-quiet noise level compared to traditional tractors. For homeowners who want the simplicity of a steering wheel, combined with Ego's reliable battery platform and rapid charging capabilities, this electric lawn tractor provides a smooth and quiet mowing experience every single weekend.
Product number 4. Husqvarna Z254F. Our fourth contender is the Husqvarna Z254F 54-inch 23 HP Kawasaki Zero Hydrostatic Turn Riding Mower. Powered by 4 independent brushless motors, this machine generates the stunning equivalent of a 31-horsepower gas engine. Utilizing Ryobi's powerful 80-volt lithium technology combined with 40-volt batteries, it easily cuts up to 3 massive acres on a single charge. One of its best features is the iDrive intelligent one-handed joystick control system. This completely replaces traditional lap bars, making precision steering around tight landscaping and trees incredibly easy and ergonomic. The heavy-duty 12-gauge steel cross-cut deck uses a multi-blade system to deliver a flawlessly manicured cut. It also features a luxurious suspension seat, an LCD screen to monitor performance, and rapid 2.5-hour recharging. For those managing massive properties who want ultimate maneuverability and the highest horsepower equivalent available in the electric market, this Husqvarna Z254F is fantastic.
Product number 5. NovorikX 54-volt 42-inch Lawn Mower. Rounding out our list is the NovorikX Cordless Electric Riding Lawn Mower, a new option in the battery-powered market that focuses heavily on whisper-quiet operation and high efficiency. This mower utilizes an intelligent battery management system that keeps performance high while providing exceptional safety and heat regulation. Driven by advanced brushless motors, it delivers high torque strength to slice through thick overgrowth without stalling. The NovorikX engineers specifically focused on aerodynamic airflow under the deck, making sure your grass clippings are discharged smoothly without clumping. Its acoustic engineering dampens vibration significantly, making it one of the quietest riding mowers available today. Complete with a comfortable ergonomic seat and extremely intuitive controls, the NovorikX offers a highly refined premium mowing experience. It's perfect for neighborhood environments where you want to maintain your property perfectly without disturbing the peace on an early Saturday morning.
In terms of price compatibility, the traditional tractor styles from Ego and Greenworks are your most budget-friendly entry points, offering incredible value and utility with their towing capabilities. The NovorikX sits in the competitive mid-range, offering a highly refined and ultra-quiet mowing experience. Finally, the Husqvarna Z254F and the Ego Z6 set at a higher price point, but they justify every penny with commercial-grade speed, massive battery capacities, and the ability to conquer multi-acre properties with ease. Check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all these incredible electric mowers. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more outdoor power equipment reviews. Keep your lawns looking fresh, and I'll see you in the next video.